Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toidel online class. We want to look at further examples or example on simultaneous linear and quadratic equations. Let's consider what we have on the board. The question says solve the equations. We have to solve this equation. So what is the equation? The first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 11, equation 1. Then we have x, product of x and y equal to 2, equation 2. When we have product of x and y, and the other one is just a linear equation, you should know that this type of equation is under simultaneous linear and quadratic equation. Because if you rewrite x in form of y, I'm going to have x times something in form of x. So I'm going to generate something as x squared. So there's tendency that we're going to get two values for x and two values for y. So if you have this type of problem, you should know that this type of problem actually falls under simultaneous linear and quadratic equation. So from what we have there, you can say that we can make x something from formula from equation 2. You just say from equation 2, x can be equal to divide both sides by y, 2 all over y, equation 3. I will now say substitute equation 3 into equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. So what is x now? X same thing as 2 all over y. That is, I'm going to have 3 into bracket 2 all over y plus 4y is equal to 11. Then I can have 6 all over y plus 4y is equal to 11 all over 1. So if I find the LCM, this is y. I can have 6 plus 4y squared is equal to 11. At this point, I can do cross multiplication so that I'm going to have 6 plus 4y squared equal to 11y. That's what I'm going to get there. So that's what I'm going to get there. Then I can bring everything to one side. I can decide to bring everything to one side. And if I do that, I'm going to have 4y squared minus 11y plus 6 equal to 0. So at this point, I've gotten a quadratic equations. I've gotten a quadratic equation. Then from there, I can actually factorize this. So 4 times 6 is 24. So what are the two factors of 24? That's going to give me minus 11. That will be minus 8 minus 3. So I'm going to have 4y squared minus 8y minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. So I do the grouping. 4y is common in this first bracket. So I'm going to have y minus 2. Yeah. Then what is common here? Minus 2. Minus 3 is common. Yeah. I'm going to have y minus 2 equal to 0. So this one, I'm going to have y minus 2. Then we group these two together. So it will be 4y minus 3 equal to 0. So we know that y minus 2 equals 0 or 4y minus 3 equals 0. So y is equal to 2 or 4y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 or 3 all over 4. These are the two values of y. So if you have two values for y, automatically we are going to get two values for x. So what is equation 3? We recall that from equation 3, we know that x is equal to 2 all over y. That's from equation 3. From equation 3, that's what we derived from equation 3. So when y is equal to 2, what is x? X will be equal to 2 all over 2. Then x will be equal to 1. When y is equal to 2, this is what you get. Then when y is equal to 3 all over 4, so x will be equal to 2 divided by 3 all over 4. That is, we say x is equal to 2. No, divided by 3 all over 4, that will be multiplied by 4 all over 3. So x will be equal to 8 all over 3. So the two values of x will be 1 and or 8 all over 3. So we now know that when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. And when x is equal to 8 all over 3, y is equal to 3 all over 4. So this is the solution to the given problem. So we should note that if you are given two equations in which we have product of the two variables, then that such a question is under simultaneous linear and quadratic equations. Thank you.